Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your products? Let's dive into this video and accompanying PPT on strategic product lifecycle management to optimize all processes in your business. Download and master every phase of product lifecycle management with our PowerPoint deck. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. From ideation to launch and through each iterative refinement, a well-crafted product lifecycle management strategy isn't just a roadmap, it's the heartbeat of innovation. Navigate the competitive landscape with precision as this template showcases revenue generation potential. What's even better, it does this for every stage of your product's lifecycle, paving the way for informed decisions. This PPT slide is a visual roadmap, aligning teams and tasks across the product's lifecycle. Employ this framework to facilitate flexible and expandable strategies. It nurtures a dynamic process that cultivates products aligned with the ever-changing market landscape. Discover the key to product longevity. Download the PPT deck on Product Lifecycle Management Strategies from link. You'll receive a pre-designed layout outlining essential capabilities for each process stage. It does this in 6 key phases: planning, defining, designing, building, testing, and deployment. The best-in-class tool also equips your businesses with tools to proactively adapt, innovate, and build resilience. The goal is to emerge stronger from disruptions of all kinds. Get the metrics to measure product success by balancing innovation and evolution. These metrics help us make smart choices, combining new innovations with making our products better over time. Employ this graphic-filled layout to analyze the impact of customized products on customer spending in sync with the number of items purchased, values of the average order, and Net Promoter Scores. This PPT simplifies complex marketing strategies, guiding you through audience targeting, engagement tactics, and conversion optimization. Achieve seamless product evolution with proven strategies. Secure your PPT module on Product Lifecycle Management Strategies today. Get insights into when and how customers prefer to be contacted, ensuring that your communication resonates and evolves with your product. Want more? Dive into the consolidated dashboards designed for a comprehensive view of your product's performance KPIs. Unlock the power of data-driven decision-making at a single glance, guiding your strategies to perfection. Download this feature-packed presentation from the given link and get started with successful product development without any hassle.